4. So this is the answer for example 8. Now in example 9, we are given y equals to 4x to the power 3 minus 2x squared plus 3 over x squared. So same thing, what we do is we split into 3 before we can find dy dx. Alright, so we split into 3, we will get 4x cubed over x squared. Minus, we copy the minus, then we have this one 2x squared over x squared. So we write down as 2x squared over x squared. Then followed by plus 3, so we have 3 over x squared. Okay, so from here simplify further, x cubed divided by x to the power 2, remainder x. So we have 4x here, 4x minus x to the power 2 and x to the power 2, you can cancel, remainder 2. And then finally the x squared at the bottom, we bring it up. So when we bring up, then the power will become negative. So we have 3x to the power negative 2. So from here we differentiate. Alright, let's look at the function again. We have 4x minus 2 plus 3x to the power negative 2. When we differentiate, compare with x, so 4x will give us 4. Okay, minus 2 doesn't have an x, so we can drop the 2. Understand? And then here we have negative 2 times 3 will give us negative 6x, and then power minus 1 will be negative 2 minus 1 equals negative 3. So now the answer will be 4 minus 6 x to the power negative 3, and then bring this x to the power negative 3 to the bottom so that it becomes positive again. So this will be the answer for example 9. Okay, let's skip to the next rule called the product rule. When we are given two terms here, u and v, where u multiplied by v, then to find dy dx, so what we do is we copy the first term u and then put square bracket, which means differentiate. So we differentiate v, compare with x. Then since this is product means times, then we have to put add here. So just now we have started with the first term u, we differentiate v. Then next we will copy the v and then we differentiate the u. Okay, so let's look at an example to understand this formula. In example 10, we are given y equals to 2x to the power 3 times 3x to the power 5. We are asked to find dy dx. So here the first thing is, remember, we have to use this formula, the product rule. So product rule says we have to copy the first term u, differentiate the second term v, then plus copy the second term v, differentiate the first term u. So same thing here, we copy 2x cubed first and then we differentiate the second term here, 3x to the power 5. So 5 times 3 equals to 15, and then power minus 1, you get x to the power 4. Then plus, just now we copy the first term, now we copy the second term, which is 3x to the power 5. We copy again here, then put in a bracket. So what do we do next? We copy the second term, but we have to differentiate the first term. So when we differentiate 2x to the power 3, we will get 3 times 2, 6. So 6x power minus 1 will be 2. So we have 6x to the power 2. So from here, 2 times 15 will give us 30. X to the power 3 times x to the power 4. We add the power when we times it, so we get x to the power 7. Plus on the right hand side we have 3 times 6 equals to 18. Then the power x to the power 5 times x to the power 2, we have to add the power. So we will get 7 here. Okay.